I am one of an NET aspirant. I attended national level 7 days e-quiz certification course which was conducted by Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College for Women, Chikmagalur. It was great experience in attending the 7 days certification course because I come to know many aspects in commerce and management. Definitely, it was very helpful for NET aspirants. It was like a mock test. I think from day 1 till today, the questions were nicely framed. I come to know the probable questions in an examination. So also, I have increased my subject knowledge. So, I am very grateful and thankful to the principal and faculty members who have organized this wonderful course. I expect the similar courses, similar programs to conduct from your college to help the society.
This is a very good program because as we are away from our normal life, we have to concentrate on our studies. This program helps us to give more importance to our studies. The questions were very good. They were framed cleverly. After seeing these questions, we are giving importance to each and every point. Thanks to Dikshit sir, Bhojraja sir, and each and everyone who worked for this program. I suggest all the aspirants to use these kind of programs to achieve something in their life.
First of all, I would like thanks to Government First Grade College for Women's, Chikmagaluru, and extend my thanks to the dignified principal of this college and beloved lecturers and the team. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ವಿಸ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ 7 days ಕ್ವಿಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 7 days ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಿಸ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು NET ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Useful to everyone and we have gained the more knowledge in this quiz competition. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ನ.
Through this course, we got some insights about the new concept in the field of commerce, which we didn't know previously. By participating in this course, personally, I got some knowledge about how to crack this NET and SLET exams so easily. And this course helped me to increase my existing confidence level, knowledge level, and also made some curiosity about the subject. So thank you and hats off to those persons who were thought of organizing this beautiful course during this pandemic period by the way of initializing and awakening the minds of the students to participate in this wonderful course. Personally, I feel very much happy that I am also one of the participants to get involved in this course.
ಇದೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತರ, ಒಂದು ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ 15 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 11 o'clock ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಗೆ 3 PM ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ಗಳ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ದವ್ರ ರೀತಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗದಲ್ಲೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು KCET ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಯಿತು. ಈ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ, ವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಪುತ್ತೂರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ನಟೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ.
It is very much useful and beneficial to all the people. The questions favored in this national level online quiz was very similar to the NET exams, because as we know that the questions are not very tricky as well as it is not very easy as well. And also it is very similar to the NET exam. So that's why in this lockdown period it is very much beneficial to all of us, especially.
Hello everyone. Government First Grade College for Women's, Chikmagaluru in Karnataka. They conducted a 7 days program, a free mock test for those students across India who are appearing for NET exam. It may be even for helpful for those students who are appearing for SLET also. So I congratulate Principal Natesh sir who actually spearheaded this program, and of course it was coordinated by Dikshit Kumar as well as Bhojaraj of Commerce Department. The principal is quite active in this. He has not taken back that they are not having a big college, big building, facilities and all, but they just took the advantage of the technology to reach the entire nation. Dikshit Kumar is the head of the Commerce Department and Bhojaraj is the assistant professor. They, along with their team, they work day night. They want to bring this program a unique program, and they become successful in this. Particularly head of the Commerce Department of this college gave a new beginning for this type of free mock test through Google Forms. Nearly 1,000 and above students across India, they registered apart from Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Orissa, Telangana, Andhra, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, everywhere, Jammu Kashmir, everywhere the students started participating in this, and nearly 871 students completed the 7 days program. Each day they were getting somewhere 10 to 15 questions and they were answering it. And these students, they were getting the right answers also the next day. And apart from that, these students, they were getting reference books, which these two, how it happens, which are the reference books that is helpful to get into the NET exam. And finally, it has ended in a good note, a unique program. If anybody has visited the college, they will know that the college is not having any much facility. But using the technology during COVID time, they conducted 7 days a free mock test training. It's almost like educating also for those students, commerce students who are appearing for NET, SLET and all. So once again, I congratulate every one of the who chipped into this, both the faculties as well as those who worked for us and the students who participated and make this program grand success. Thank you.
Dear participant, I would like to share some few words with you people regarding the 7 days NET SET national level e-certificate course. So in this course, total 1750 participants are registered their name. Out of that, 1200 actively participated. Only few got 80% marks. Majority have got 60 to 70% of marks. I hope it will little helps to you people to attend the NET and SET exam in future. I am happily inform you that more than 8% of the participant coming from the outside Karnataka, like Delhi, West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Our college was started in the year 2014. So 5 years are completed. 2 batches UG degree are passed out. In the month of June, we are conducting the commerce quiz. More than 3000 UG students are benefited. One more e-certificate course regarding the English subject. Nearly 2800 participants get benefited. We think that in future also, we are conducting more e-certificate course for all the subjects. Finally, I would like to thank to our Commissioner P. Pradeep Sir, Commissioner and Narayan Prasad, the Placement Officer, the Department of Collegiate Education, Bangalore, and the Dikshit Kumar, HOD of Commerce, and Bhojaraj, the Placement Cell Officer and Professor of Commerce, to actively participation in this course, and they can do the wonderful work for success of this course. Finally, we thanks to Dr. K.R. Srinivas, IQAC coordinators, and Lokesh Naik, the senior member of the faculty in our college, and all the faculty members and all the non-teaching staff of our college to success of this course. And finally, we would like to say some good wishes to participation for future NET and SET exam. Thank you one and all.